Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about some success stories that we shared with you this year. This is our year-end look back at the wonderful works that happened at McBean Law for our clients. And I'm taking you through each month of the year of success stories that we shared with you to remind you of the wonderful works we've done for our clients and the ways that we've changed their lives, of course. And then also to encourage you and help you to walk away with some lessons learned, and maybe you'll find your case in one of these stories. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer and founder of McBean Law. You may reach out to us at McBean Law at 888-462-4006. Again, that's 888-462-4006, where you can request an appointment with one of our attorneys. Also, friends, you should also know that our success stories are on our website. Go to McBeanLaw.com/success, where you could read these stories for yourself and see what we have been able to achieve for others. Before you go today, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notice of these videos each week. Again, guys, oh my goodness, I'm so thrilled. This is 2023, December of 2023. The year's over, almost over, but let's look back and see what wonderful things happened this year. So we're going to go right into February. We're going to go into the month of February and just look back and see what happened. So we shared this terrific story about this woman, a daughter's waiver. Her waiver was approved, okay? The client came to us in March 2021, and she was under so much stress. Her daughter was stuck in Liberia. There was a civil war many years ago, and so the family fled to Ghana for safety and resettlement. Our client came to the U.S. and she became a green card holder, but her daughter was still back in Ghana and they hadn't seen each other for many, many years. And so she filed for her daughter in 2016, and the I-130 was quickly approved. However, at the visa interview at the U.S. Embassy, she was denied. She was refused of the visa because the embassy believed that she misrepresented some important facts or details in connection with her case. The mother hired us and we did an assessment of the case to determine whether the daughter could in fact get the visa. We worked on the case, we filed a waiver, and it was approved, and we're so thrilled. So this is one of our success stories about a client stuck outside of the United States, and through the work of our firm, we were able to help the mother achieve such a huge victory for her daughter. And then, guys, we also shared this story in February about a woman whose visa was approved after charged with passport criminal charges. All of this happened as far as the approval after her husband's death. This is actually a really remarkable story, and I know I just chopped it up a little bit, the title there, so forgive me. Go back and watch the video on this story that I did in February. But like I started off this newsletter saying, it's not over until it is over. This was such a wonderful story about perseverance. Our clients, they were married for nearly 5 years, but they never actually had a chance to live together. Our client, the wife, was in South America, and her husband, the U.S. citizen, was here in America by himself. He was alone. He had filed for his wife and his petition was approved, but the embassy refused her visa because she had admitted under oath to using a false identity in 2007 when she had applied for a visitor's visa. And guys, she was charged with falsifying her passport after an investigation was done, and there was a lot of media coverage about her case in her country back home. Despite all of this, she was able to obtain the victory in the criminal case, however. Her husband then filed a waiver for her on his own, and it was denied. He then came to us, and while we were working on the case, guys, tragically, the husband passed away, and we advised the wife that, wow, The waiver was practically done. Right before that opportunity to file it, he passed away. And we advised her that there's a very low chance of approval in this kind of scenario. And she said, well, go ahead, file it anyway. I'm begging you, please just do it anyway. And so we did it, guys. And despite the significantly low chance of success, the waiver was approved in 3 months. And she's now here in the US. So we were so happy for her. So happy for her. And then the third story that we highlighted for you included a spousal adjustment of status case with no interview. And we started off by saying now is the best time to apply for a green card through a spouse. And in fact, in 2023, we saw a lot of approvals without an interview, fast approvals in marriage cases without an interview. And this was one of the first that came in. It was less than 9 months of processing, and our clients got the green card very quickly. And we also shared the fact that we work with clients in so many different complex marriage scenarios involving things like the couple not living together. Maybe it's a culturally arranged marriage, visa application fraud or misrepresentation, beneficiary has a criminal record, insufficient evidence to prove bona fide marriage, previous green card denial. Maybe there's a notice of intent to deny or to revoke, the removal of conditions on your own and with your spouse jointly, marriage fraud allegations, which we saw some success with this year, so stay tuned for those stories, improper divorce or material facts on an application, inconsistent responses at interviews. Maybe there was a fraud unit investigation or USCIS home visit, request for evidence, illegal entry, passport fraud, petitioners incarcerated, petitioners ineligible to file for the spouse due to some involving maybe a sex offense conviction, and so many more scenarios, short marriages, administrative processing, other red flags, just a number of things, guys. We handle them, and I'm so thrilled for the clients. These are the stories from February, and it has changed their lives. These were our life-changing events. Again, reach out to us at McBean Law at 888-462-4006 to discuss your case. And just keep in mind also that every case is different. Past successes do not guarantee a similar future outcome. I hope this encouraged you. I hope you've learned some things in this video. Be sure to comment below, share it with others. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.